Hey guys, I'm Shi LaChef, a vegan chef and beverage creator, and a lot of people do not know this, but there were honestly moments where I didn't even know if Shi LaChef would ever come back. It still sounds crazy for me to say, but literally what started as something so small became way bigger than I ever imagined. Y'all, people started driving across the cities for these ginger lemonades. Customers were ordering from all over the country, and we shipped to 43 different states. Then celebrities started reaching out, and people just kept telling me the same thing over and over again.
I feel healthy already.
Why is that so good?
It's crazy for real.
But that behind the scenes journey was not easy at all. When I tell you there were setbacks, production issues, delays, financial pressures, and moments that honestly felt so heartbreaking, because I knew how much people genuinely loved these ginger lemonades. And I think the hardest part for me was watching people continue to ask for them while trying to figure out how to rebuild the right way. Because y'all, this was never just about selling beverages to me. Like, Shi LaChef was created from my passion for creating things that made people feel good physically, emotionally, and mentally. So yes, I wanted to create drinks that tasted amazing without making people feel heavy afterwards. Drinks that people could actually enjoy and feel good about drinking. That's what I wanted. And I think seeing the love that people had for the brand, even after all this time, it means so much to me, like more than people know. So y'all, this comeback is personal for me. Not because it's trendy and not because it's business, but because I've poured myself into this brand. And now we have the opportunity to bring it back stronger, better, and more intentional than ever. So if you've supported Shi LaChef before, thank you. And if this is your first time hearing about us, welcome to the comeback.